Lesson 11. Claude as your business brain. Same tool as Lesson 5. Now for your business. Create a project called My Business. Upload your service list, your pricing, a proposal you're proud of, and a few client emails that sound like you. This becomes the brain Claude uses for every business task from here on. Add instructions with 6 things. Your tone, your signature phrases, phrases you never use, how you open emails, your values in 1 line, and your sign-off. Paste your Lesson 10 value statement in 2. This is what stops Claude from sounding like a generic bot. Inside your business project, ask Claude to draft a real proposal, newsletter, or client email you actually need this week. Compare it to a blank chat with no project. The gap is the whole point of this lesson. Before anything leaves your hands, fact check the numbers. Voice check that it sounds like you. Judgment check that it feels right. 3 questions, 10 seconds each. Make it a reflex, not a chore. Garbage in, garbage out is real here. A thin project with vague instructions gives you thin, generic output, and it's tempting to blame the tool when the real issue is a project you built once and never touched again. Revisit your voice profile every few weeks. Your business changes, your services change, your tone evolves. A stale project quietly produces stale work. Next lesson, we go further, using Claude Cowork for real, recurring business workflows, without any of the automation platforms you might have tried before. Build your business project with your voice profile. Complete 1 real business task with it today. Your business project is the foundation for every client-facing task from here. Your voice profile is what makes it sound like you, and it only stays useful if you keep it current.